Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your store email address. Let me show you how to do that. All you have to do once you're inside Shopify is simply click the settings gear on the lower left hand side. And from here, ensure that you're under the general section. You will find on the store details at the top there your store name, your email address, and your phone number. Click the pencil icon towards the right hand side and you will have the option to edit your store name, your email address, and even your phone number. Now, to change your email address, all you have to do is just change this email address. And what this email does is basically allow you to receive messages about your store. Now, for senders emails, go to notification settings. So you want to click on that and you will be taken over to this section here where you can change the email for senders. So you can go ahead and update the email address right here as well. Now, once you go ahead and update that, then this is the email section that's taking care of those notifications, right? Now, with this current setup, the users will see an email format like this. And so if you want your recipients to see something much more professional, it's recommended that you get a domain. And I'll show you in later videos how you can get your own domain for Shopify. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.